We're here at the Magnetic event today in Bangkok, and we're here with Jay, who's actually from the UK. You've travelled all the way over from the UK to see us, which is great.
Yeah, I'm in London, yeah. I've been with Mark quite a long time, and I call it myself personally quite successful and able to learn a lot from Mark being there for a long time. And I'm pretty much living on this trading business.
So how long have you actually been trading for, Jay?
Seriously, I would say about 4 years. And before I was doing part-time on a subscription basis. And now every day I trade, and I mean every day I look at if there is opportunities. And I probably do 2 to 3 trades a week, which is good enough to generate income that what I want. Before that I was working in the city, and I'm able to generate almost the same income.
So when you got into trading, did you try forex or share trading? Do you have any experience of those different types of trading methods?
I've tried some currency very short while when I got introduced to spread betting, and it didn't really work very well with me. Yeah. And then I've tried some indices, and then I got recommended by someone in a gym that the Mark Austin service, FTSE service. Yep. And since then, you know, I've kind of followed you, and it seems it works for me.
So, I mean, in terms of, there's a lot of reasons why people fail at trading, but over trading, they try and make it too complicated. They're looking at too many markets. But in terms of your turning point, what would you say is the main factor that got you from being an average trader to being more consistent in the market?
I mean, you know, I had the same issue as any trader who struggled at the early stage, where you open accounts and then you overtrade and you try to do many markets. And I realized I always making money on a certain market and then mostly losing on the other market. You're trying to focus on many products.
Sure.
And as soon as I started on one market and increased the size of the trades, and it made it clear that you don't need many trades.
No, you're absolutely right. I mean, when I first started trading as well, I was looking at so many different markets, trying to do everything, and then, you know, I realized that actually if I had one strategy or a few strategies on one market that works really well, all I need to do is increase the pound per point.
Sure.
And it really is as simple as that.
It is simple. I think it's all about getting out of the psychology of,
Sure.
you know, people don't really like losing, hence they do make the wrong decision. But if you look at overall, you write down what you're doing, what market you're working on, what it works, and once you start more systematic, it really works. I mean, I have a spreadsheet of my trades and how many trades I do, how much I make, you know, what percentage I risk, and it really works. And if you don't do those things, obviously, you know, you don't have a record of it, so you can't really validate what you do.
Yeah, so, sure. I mean, one thing we've been chatting about today is patience. It's just waiting for those, because every week you're going to get those 1 or 2 really obvious trades that are going to come along, but it's just being patient. It's being able to come to the computer screen and go, right, this trade isn't good enough, and walk away. And so many people struggle to do that. They want to take every single trade, they want to get involved with all the ups and downs and the price action, and they end up losing money.
Yeah, I mean, they don't understand whether they wanted to make a living out of it or they want to just trade for fun. So there's 2 different things, and you can get addicted. You can keep trading because you maybe like taking risk, but you don't. If you want to make an income out of it, I think you have to be very disciplined. As you said, patient. The trades are always there, and every day there's a trades. So as soon as you stick with your plan and then being patient, and then there is plenty of opportunity.
Sure. So I mean, I think the golden points to take away here is that, you know, you've got to find something that works, which we have at Magnetic Trading.
Yeah,
it's be patient for those high probability setups. Once it works, just increase your leverage, and don't make it complicated.
I mean, you know, we got about 25 trades, high probability trades per month. I mean, you only need 2 to 3 trades.
Exactly. We've just been through all the high probability trades, so, you know, without even trying and just being patient, you're going to get about those. You're going to get 25 trades a month without even trying to look for stuff.
Yeah, as you you said earlier on, wait. You're going to get those trades. Just wait.
Yeah.
And then just do it. And then you don't need to be on the market all the time. There is sort of set hours. You just do it, and then it works.
Brilliant. All right, Jay. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Mark.